Welcome back to the Smart Business Academy. In today's video, we're diving into 17 small businesses you can start right from home. These ideas are practical, low cost, and perfect for anyone looking to earn extra income or even build a full-time career. Stick around until the end because I'll share some tips on how to choose the right business for you. Starting with a timeless idea, making soap and skincare products. With natural ingredients like essential oils, shea butter, and herbs, you can create unique products that stand out. People love handmade, eco-friendly items, and platforms like Etsy or local craft fairs are perfect for selling them. The key is branding. Beautiful packaging and storytelling about your ingredients will set you apart. Candles are not just for light. They're for mood, relaxation, and gifting. You can experiment with scents, colors, and shapes. Soy candles, beeswax candles, or themed candles for holidays are especially popular. Once you master the craft, you can sell online, at farmers markets, or even wholesale to boutiques. If you love baking, this is a sweet opportunity. Cookies, cakes, bread, or even cultural specialties can be sold locally. Social media is a powerful tool. Posting mouth-watering photos can attract customers quickly. You can also take custom orders for birthdays, weddings, or holidays. Jewelry making is a creative business with endless possibilities. Using beads, metals, or even recycled materials, you can design unique pieces. Selling through Instagram shops or online marketplaces allows you to reach a global audience. Personalized jewelry, like name necklaces or birthstone rings, is especially in demand. With print-on-demand services, you don't even need to keep inventory. You design graphics, upload them, and the company prints and ships for you. This is perfect for creative people who love design but don't want the hassle of production. Niche designs, like funny quotes, fandom themes, or motivational slogans, sell well. If you enjoy writing, blogging can become a business. Choose a niche, like travel, food, or personal finance, and build an audience. Monetization comes from ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. It takes time, but once traffic grows, it can become a steady income stream. Yes, exactly like this. You don't need to show your face. You can create videos with voiceovers, stock footage, or animations. Topics can range from tutorials, storytelling, reviews, or motivational content. Consistency and good editing are the keys to growth. Businesses everywhere need help with emails, scheduling, and social media. As a virtual assistant, you can work from home with just a laptop. Start small by offering services on freelance platforms, then build long-term clients. Organization and communication skills are your biggest assets here. If you're skilled in a subject, math, languages, or even music, you can teach online. Platforms like Zoom or specialized tutoring sites make it easy. Parents are always looking for extra help for their kids, and adults often want to learn new skills too. From crochet to pottery, crafts are always in demand. People love buying unique, handmade items that can't be found in big stores. You can sell locally or online, and even create tutorials to build an audience around your craft. Small businesses often struggle with social media. If you know how to create posts, schedule content, and grow engagement, you can offer this as a service. Start with 1 or 2 clients, then expand. It's a business that scales well once you build a reputation. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You set up an online store, and suppliers ship directly to customers. The challenge is finding the right niche and marketing effectively, but once you do, it can be very profitable. If you're creative with design tools, you can offer services like logo creation, flyers, or social media graphics. Businesses always need visuals, and platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are a great place to start. Over time, you can build your own portfolio website. Healthy snacks like granola, protein bars, or dried fruit mixes are popular. With rising health awareness, people are willing to pay for nutritious, homemade options. Packaging and branding are important. Make your product look professional and trustworthy. Pet owners love spoiling their furry friends. Homemade pet treats, toys, or accessories can be a fun business. Just make sure your products are safe and tested. Social media communities for pet lovers are a great place to market. Digital products like ebooks, templates, planners, or online courses can be created once and sold repeatedly. This is a scalable business because there's no inventory or shipping. If you have expertise in something, package it into a digital product and sell it online. Plants are trending. Succulents, herbs, and indoor greenery are loved by many. You can grow plants at home and sell them locally. Pair them with cute pots or offer gardening tips to attract customers. It's eco-friendly and rewarding. And there you have it, 17 small businesses you can start right at home. each one has the potential to grow into something bigger if you stay consistent and creative. Remember, the best business is the one that matches your skills and passion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.